Jesus heals a man born blind. Master, who did sin, this man or his parents, that he was this not he that sat and begged? He is like him. How were thine eyes opened? A man that is called Jesus made clay and anointed mine, and I went and washed, and I received sight. I know not. How did you receive your sight? He put clay upon mine eyes, and I washed, and do see. This man is not of God, because he keepeth not the Sabbath day. How can a man that is a sinner do such miracles? What said thou of him, that he had opened thine eyes? Go, bring his parents. We know that this is our son, and that he was born blind. Since the world began, was it not heard that any man opened the eyes of one that was born blind? If this man were not of God, he could do nothing. Dost thou believe on the Son of God? Thou hast both seen him, and it is he that talketh with thee. O Lord, I believe. For judgment I am come into this world, that they which see not might see, and that they which see might be made blind. Are we are blind also? If ye were blind, ye should have no sin. But now ye say, We see, therefore your sin remaineth.